Well, hello, my new batch of living environment friends, fanatics, enthusiasts, etc., scholars, students. It's time for another year of Mr. Kobach's class. And at the beginning of each class, you do one of these, what I call the Bellringer, which is a video of me leading you through some things, either mostly review of stuff we've done, or maybe just check for understanding and those kinds of things. But the highlight is it starts with this song. Da 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 do 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 da 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 do do. All right. Da 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 do do do. Hey now. Da 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 do do. Mr. Kobach's class. It's really fun. It's Mr. Kobach's class. You might learn a ton. It's Mr. Kobach's class. It's interesting too. It's Mr. Kobach's class. And he's super cool. It's Mr. Kobach's class. Pretty good theme song, eh? Yeah, let me know what you think here. Or here. Here. Let me know what you think of the theme song. Give it a rating. And if it's not 10 out of 10, you're wrong. Anyway, yeah, my class is really straightforward. We're going to learn living environment, life science, biology, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to be prepared for the New York State Regents exam, which comes in June. That exam is 3 hours long, 80 some odd questions about everything you could possibly ever want to know about living things and how they work, and from the very small, from the minute chemical interactions between things up to the very big interactions between species and over great areas of land and those kinds of things. And so it's a lot to tackle. That's probably why we give you a full year's worth of this course before you take the exam. In addition, this is a lab class, so you're supposed to develop some lab skills, right, in science. And these lab skills, of course, we'll do during our lab period, which is every other day. So every other day, you'll have a second period of science, and during that period, we'll do some kind of lab work, sometimes with chemicals, sometimes with animals, sometimes with neither, but sometimes with both. So that's what we're going to be doing, and so you can look forward to that. There is a requirement. You need to have a certain number. It's 1,200 minutes of successful lab reports. So you'll learn very quickly that there's a difference between doing a lab and getting credit for the lab. Doing the lab is easy. We do that in class. Getting credit for that lab is the report that you have to do. You have to submit. You have to have scored, graded, and then you have to keep. Okay? And then in addition, there are four state labs that we have to do. And what I like to do is I like to save them for the last quarter. So we do them right before the Regents, because the Regents actually ask questions about those four labs in particular. And those are labs that every kid in the state does exactly the same way. All right? So it should be an exciting year. You'll meet some of my friends, like this guy. You'll meet Francesco Reddy. Where's Francesco? There he is. This Francesco. He's very safe. There he is. Francesco, yes. Good to see you, Francesco. Of course, my really good friend, Chuck. Sir Chuck. Anyway, and don't ask me what's in the mystery locker. All right, let's have a great year. Nice to meet you. By now, you've been introduced by me a couple of times, and tomorrow at this time, you will have already done the Bellringer. All right.